Soak 250 grams of yellow split peas matar dal overnight. Put it in a mixer and coarse grind it. Do not make a fine paste. Ingredients required: ghee 25 ml, oil 25 ml, nuts depending on requirements, sugar 150 grams or as required, saffron, a pinch.
Add 2 tablespoons of ghee and 2 tablespoons of oil. Heat it. Add grind matar dal. Mix properly. Add ghee and oil. When it is cooked almost 75%, slowly add sugar. Transfer to another container and let it cool. After it has cooled, mix well and make round laddus. Decorate with nuts and saffrons. Mouth-watering delicious motichur laddus are ready.